back to Project Frankenstein. Today, we're going to do something. Maybe we'll start with these gauges. That's a good route. Boom. And a little bit of that. Alright, so I think I'm going to try and run it right where the clutch goes through. Hopefully that's not a bad idea. And then I think it connects right under... hold on. I think there's a spot under here. Is that it? I think there's something there. Let's crawl underneath. Alright, very excited. I was able to chat with Sam, and he really helped clarify some of my questions here. So here is where I'm going to connect the oil pressure gauge. Alright, so that bolt back there that I was trying to show you guys, I'm not going to mess with that. The oil pressure gauge I'm going to connect here, and what I'll probably do is get a little T thing, so the part that connects there, basically so I have both, right? So I'm going to do that. And the other hole on the other side that I was showing you guys over down there just needs to be blocked off, if that makes sense. So I put 2 bolts on it to get it to twist off, but it's not coming off. It is spinning it. So I'm wondering if I need to take this bottom piece off instead. So I think I'm going to try that now. Okay, yeah, so that's how it's supposed to go. So there's the hole. I just need the bigger adapter and we should be good to go. So I got it all connected, but I think what I'm going to do is detach it on that side in the cab because this wants to spring around and I have to tighten it on here. So I think I'll disconnect it there so I can screw it in here. So we got all connected up on this end. I definitely recommend, if you're installing one of these, to put this last piece here last. Like, put all these in first and then put this. Then I found a little clip on the side, so I'm going to use that to keep it off the exhaust manifold. And I'm running that back up. And let's go do the inside. Alright, so the oil pressure gauge is all connected. I just need the positive and ground for the light, but I'm going to run all of these down there to shoot up to the battery. So next I'm going to attach the coolant, because we got to plug that up too. So this is perfect. So I'll attach this, and then this I'll probably leave for the end, but because I do need to attach 2 more wires to here, and then I'm going to run all these out the side, and I'll probably use this thing. All right, boom. Alright, so I also got an oil filter, so let's throw this bad boy in there. Because I ran it through that hole, I put the little cover on there to prevent friction. So that way, you know, it doesn't rub on the actual thing. So what I like about this is I'm running all the wires through what used to be the ashtray, but I don't have an ashtray, so this worked out perfect. So I'm running all the wires through there, and then all the rest of the wires are going to run down this way. I was trying to bundle them up, but it was getting annoying. So I think I'll get everything wired, and then after I wire it, I'll bundle everything up and then do it that way, which is probably makes a little bit more sense. So boom, now I'm gonna go under the hood and see if I have something to fill in that little hole there. We're almost there though. We're getting real close, baby. So I got the carb all connected up. Got all those springs and levers attached or whatnot. I found this bad boy and that for now. So we're looking pretty good. So now let's crawl under there and look at that bolt. Really good progress. Really all I gotta do is attach the fuel line, put the distributor in, put the coil in, line it up top dead center, put all the spark plug wires on, and figure out what to do about these holes. So check out these holes I got. All right, so I've got one hole right here, right there, and then I've got a hole here too. This one seems like I could probably just leave that exposed. I'm not sure with that one. But that's the only other last little bit. As always, thank you guys for watching. Special thanks to Sam, Southwest Truck and Diesel. He was a huge help today. Really helped me sort out some of this stuff. So really appreciate his help. And then also to my brother Nick. He was trying to help me with some of this stuff too. So I really appreciate you guys. Also check out my buddies Quint 1836 and Cars on the Fritz. So check those people out too, baby. But we're there. We're like pretty much there.